Hello students, today is our economics period. Today in our lesson number 2, we are going to learn about the utility analysis topic. Okay, students, last video lesson, we had already learned about the meaning of utility and the detailed features of utility. Okay, so to start our new topic, we are going to have just the review about the meaning of utility. Okay, see, the word utility means what the one satisfying power of a commodity. Utility means what the usefulness of a commodity, of a product for maximization of consumption with available resources. Our wants are unlimited. You all know our wants are unlimited, but every individual tries to satisfy that want with available resources, which is available with them. For example, see, household income and household expenses. Okay, that resources means whatever income you are earning, and expenses means how you utilize your income, to satisfy your wants, means needs, and it is like your daily food, your clothing, shelter, your shopping expenses, any case of emergency, medical emergency. These all are what the wants. These all are what the expenses. Okay, and these various wants which we have to satisfy with the available income, which is available resources. Okay. So students, after the meaning of utility, after the features of utility, we are going to learn about types of utility. Today's topic is what the types of utility we are going to learn in detail. Okay, these are what the form utility, place utility, service utility, knowledge utility, possession utility, and the time utility. Okay. See students, these are the various types of utility. Okay, first is what the form utility. When utility is created due to change in the shape or structure of a existing material, it is called what the form utility. Okay, now see in detail the meaning. Okay, it means what? It means various types of things you can make with the help of available resources. For example, wood. Wood is resources and you can make furniture, door, window, chair, table with the help of the wood. Okay. Here the use of wood will be increased, and this is what the form utility, that you are forming a particular kind of product with another product, that the furniture here is what the finished product, whereas wood here acts as a raw material, and in form utility we convert the raw material into the finished product, and for doing this we change the shape of that wood. Okay, for example, toys also made with the help of the clay. Here is one another example, that is what the toys which we can made with the help of clay. The usefulness of a clay will be more because of what? Because of toys. Okay, same like dresses we made with the help of different kinds of fabrics like cotton, rayon, silk, khadi. These all are what the fabrics, and the clothes like sarees, dresses, t-shirts, pants are what the final goods, final products which we can make with the help of fabrics. Okay, this is what the form utility means. What? You are making particular kind of product with the help of another product is what the form utility. You are changing the shape, you are forming a particular kind of product with the help of raw materials. Okay, clear? Now see, second is what the place utility. Okay, see, when utility of a commodity increases due to change in its place, it is called what? The place utility. Okay, see the meaning. It means what? When a place of utilization is changed, the utility will also be increased. That is what? The transfer of goods from one place to another. Here transport is the major factor which affects the sale of the product. Okay, Here the place of production is different, but they take them to the places where they are demanded more. Okay, this creates what the place utility. For example, marketplaces, that when farmers are taking their vegetable, fruits like mangoes to the marketplace, it will be more demanded by the consumers. But it he keeps it in when he keeps it in his farm only, then it will be perished or it will be damaged. Okay, so to maximize the profit, to earn the more earnings, it is necessary to change the place of the product to increase more sale. Okay, so here is what the place utility means. What the you can increase your sale, you can increase your profit with the help of changing the place of the commodity, changing the place of the product. Clear? Now third is what the service utility. Okay, service utility arises when personal services are rendered, are given by various professionals. Okay, see the detail meaning. Okay, it means what? When various kinds of services are rendered, offered by various professionals, by various experts in the society, and it is for the people who want it. For example, patient requires the services of doctors to get well soon. So here doctors provide the services to the patient. Okay. Also, the another example, teacher teaches to students. Here the knowledge is given to students, is what the services which is given to students from the teacher. Services are invisible in nature. It is not physical, which can see like goods or a commodity or a product. Okay, it is just the kind of work, kind of services by the professionals, by the experts to the consumer. And in service utility, both the production and the consumption are done at the same time. See that if teacher teaching to students, production here is what the teaching, and if all the students are gaining, are taking, are listening to teacher, okay, they are gaining knowledge, they are gaining, taking knowledge from the teachers, means what? They are consuming. Okay, so in service utility, both the production and the consumption are done at the same time. Clear? Now see, fourth type is what? The knowledge utility. Okay, see, when a consumer acquires the knowledge, consumer have the idea, knowledge about a particular product, it is called what? The knowledge utility. Okay, see, it increases only with the help of the knowledge of the product, idea of the product, information of the product and use of the product. It increases when consumer acquire the knowledge about a particular product, particular commodity. For example, the utility of the book will be more to the literate people than the illiterate people. That illiterate people cannot read the book, but literate people can read the book. So the utility of the book will be more to the literate people. Okay. Same. The use of the mobile phones and the computers increases only when the person knows it and have the knowledge, have the detailed knowledge that how to use the mobile phones and how to operate the computers. Okay, clear students? Fifth is what? The possession utility. Okay, possession utility arises when the ownership of goods, when the possession of goods is transferred from one place to another. Okay, see, possession means what? The ownership. Ownership of goods means the person who owns that product, who owns that commodity, and it arises when that ownership of goods is transferred from one person to another person. For example, when goods are purchased by the consumer, he becomes the owner of the product and he starts to consume that product, utilize that commodity product. So here is what? The ownership rights are transferred from seller to buyer, and when that ownership transfer, then only the utility will be increased, okay, more from the buyer side than the seller side. Take the example of food grains, take the example of fruits, that when the buyers buys that food grains, he start to utilize that fruit, start to utilize that food grains rather than the seller side. Sellers is there only to sell, and buyer is there for to buy and to utilize and to consume that product. Okay. So when the possession is remains with the seller, the utility of that product will be less. But when it's transferred to the buyer, the utility of the utility of the food grains will be increased. Okay. Now the last point, sixth point, is what the time utility. Okay, that when the utility of a commodity increases with the change in its time of utilization, it is called what the time utility. Okay, see here, it means the utility, the usefulness of a product, of a commodity will be more as per the time factor. The best example is what the seasonal products, okay, are demanded as per their respective seasons, okay, like raincoats, umbrellas are demanded more in rainy seasons than the summer season. Same like cotton clothes are demanded more in summer seasons. We prefer to wear cotton clothes in summer seasons, and winter clothes are demanded more in winters, okay. Same, the time utility means what? Storing of goods and utilizing and using at the time of need or at the time of scarcity. That the same shopkeeper used to do, that they store these kinds of seasonal goods in their godowns and uses it when that respective season came and when that product is actually demanded in the market. Here is the example of what the student, that the students require the textbooks more in the examination time than the vacation time, that the students are enjoying their vacation, they are not in a mood to study, but when they need to study to prepare for the examination, they require the textbooks, okay. So the utility of the textbooks will be more during the examination period than the vacation period, okay. And the another example is what? The blood bank, okay. Blood is stored at the blood bank, okay, and the need of blood is arises only when the patient requires in urgent basis, is what the example of blood bank also, okay students. Understood this time utility? So students, here we have finished today's topic, that is the types of utility, okay. We have studied the different kinds of types of utility, okay. If you have any doubts, queries, please feel free to discuss, okay students. Goodbye, take care, stay home, stay safe.